Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the erythropoiesis. That is also a process of the formation of blood. Erythropoiesis is the process of the origin, development and maturation of the erythrocytes. Homopoiesis or the hemopoiesis is the process of origin, development and maturation of all blood cells. Means this is the origin for the and the process of the hematopoiesis, and they are the precursors in the erythrocyte. Site of the erythropoiesis in the fetal life. In a fetal life, the erythropoiesis occur in three stages. First is the mesoblastic stage. During the first 2 months of the intrauterine life, the RBCs are produced from the mesenchyma of yolk cell. Means in the starting of the 2 month, RBC produced in the mesenchyme of the yolk cell. Hepatic stage is the from the third month of the intrauterine life. Liver is the main organ that produces RBCs, and spleen and lymphoid organs are also involved in the erythropoiesis. Next is the myeloid stage. During the last 3 months of the intrauterine life, the RBCs are produced from the red bone marrow and liver. Next is in newborn babies, children and adults. In newborn babies, growing children and adult RBCs are produced only from the red bone marrow. Up to the age of 20 years, RBC are produced from the red bone marrow of all bones, long bones and all the flat bones. After the age of 20 years, RBC are produced from the membranous bone like the vertebra, sternum, ribs, scapula, iliac bone and the skull bone, and from the end of the long bones. After 20 years of age, the shaft of the long bones become yellow. Bone marrow, because of the fat deposition and loses the erythropoietic function. There are the losses of the erythropoietic function. Next is the adult. In adult case, liver and spleen may produce the blood cells if the bone marrow is destroyed or fibrosed. Collectively, bone marrow is almost equal to the liver in size and weight. It is also as active as the liver. So, bone marrow is the site of production of all the blood cells. Comparatively, 75% of the bone marrow is involved in the production of leukocytes and only 25% involved in production of erythrocytes.